Hello children, welcome back to another session of concept learning with Math Buddy. We're going to be learning about representing numbers using place values, right? So we'll be using this instrument which is called place value blocks. If you open this, there are some flats, right? So these are flats, these represent hundreds. There are some rods, these represent tens. And there are some small squares, right? So these represent units or ones. Okay, so using this we're going to represent numbers today. Let's just take it out, and we'll be representing the numbers on these boards, right? So you would have got some ones board. So this is ones board, then there is tens board, and then there is hundreds board. Just place them together. Okay. So let's say we want to represent a number. What number shall we take? Let's say we want to represent a number 245, right? So what is the, what place is the digit 5 in? 5 is in the ones place, right? So we need to represent 5 ones. So take the units and place 5 of them in the ones place. Right? Then how about 4? 4 is in the tens place. This is ones place, tens place, hundreds place, right? So 4 is in the tens place. So we'll use 4 of these rods to represent 4 tens. And then we have 2 in the hundreds place, which means we need 2 hundreds. So one flat represents 100. So we'll place 2 of these flats. So that's how we represent the number 245. Okay, very simple. Let's try one more example. Let's place these back. Okay, let's say I want to represent a number 309, right? So what number is there in the ones place? It's 9, right? So we need to place 9 of these units in the ones place. Right, so that represents 9. Is there anything in the tens place? There is 0 in the tens place, so we don't have any rods to represent here. How about the hundreds place? There are 3 hundreds, right? So we place 3 flats here. So 1, 2, and 3. So this represents a number 309. Very straightforward, right? So why don't you go ahead, practice representing more numbers like this. I hope you all enjoyed this activity. If you have any questions, write to us at support@mathbuddyonline.com.